Meaning of inquisitive.
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 Inquisitive. The term inquisitive refers to a person who is curious, eager to learn, and constantly seeking knowledge or information. An inquisitive mind is always asking questions, exploring new ideas, and looking for the truth. Such people are never satisfied with superficial answers and always want to dive deeper into a topic. They tend to be open-minded, analytical, and observant, making them excellent problem solvers. Being inquisitive can lead to personal growth and discovery, as well as a better understanding of the world around us. It's an admirable trait that encourages intellectual development and critical thinking.